Hey guys, it's Janice Shorte and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, we are going to talk about pop-up shops. If you guys watched my last video, you know that I am participating in a pop-up shop tomorrow. Today's Friday. Participating in an event tomorrow where I will be one of the vendors at that event. So right now I'm just at home getting ready to prepare for the pop-up shop. So I'll just show you guys some of the things that I'm going to be taking with me and how I'm going to prepare, and then tomorrow I will show you guys how I set up everything for the pop-up shop. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. But before we go on, hit the subscribe button and like this video and comment as always, and let me know what you would like me to make a future video about. Okay, here we go. Alright guys, so if you watched my last video, you know that I am super ill prepared for everything in life currently. So I just came back from Walmart where I went to buy some supplies for tomorrow's pop-up shop. These are the hangers I'm going to be using. I actually already had these hangers. I bought them from my job before they closed. So I got a bunch of these hangers. But I needed hangers for pants and I wanted them to match. So I went to Walmart and I got these wooden hangers. They only come in packs of 3, but they were like $2.97 per pack, and I don't have very many bottoms anyway, so I just bought 5 packs of these, and I already had 1 pack, so that makes 6 packs, so I have 18 total pant hangers. And then I also forgot to order bags, but I have a box of like plastic bags in my trunk that I also took from my job before it closed, so I'm going to take those with me as well. But I also picked up these just plain paper bags from Walmart as well. These come in a pack of 5 and they were like $5 or something like that, which is ridiculous because I can get a bunch of bags in bulk from Amazon or Store Supply Warehouse, but I needed some last minute, so I bought these. I also bought 2 of these garment racks. So these were $8.93, I believe. I already have one of these, which you may have seen in my video from the photo studio. I have one there that I have just been leaving there, and I was too lazy to just go pick up that one. So I went and bought 2 more, and they're super cheap. They're like $9, so I wasn't too concerned about the price. And so I got 2 of those. And I also bought this tub, and it comes with a top. I think that was like around $10, and I'm gonna use that to store my merchandise in to transport back and forth with me. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna prepare my merchandise, put it in the tub, or the merchandise that I'm gonna be taking, and then I'll talk to you guys about planning as far as like finance and like goals and things like that. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm actually going to stack everything in here in the order that I want it to be hung on the racks when I get there, so that way I don't have to waste time organizing the racks and trying to make it look pretty. So right now I'm going to just literally put everything into this container in the order that I'm going to put it on the rack. There's going to be 2 piles, 1 for each rack. One of the racks is going to be like my more vibrant, colorful, and like printed things. And then the other side is going to be more of my neutral, basically like my black rack. It's going to have like all of my more basic-ish pieces. So that's what I'm going to do now. And yeah. Oh, and also I'm only going to take 1 of each side of everything too. So I'll be showing a slideshow on my computer or my iPad that'll show everybody like other pieces that are available so they can like place orders if they would like. But I don't want to take too much merchandise because I don't want to overdo it. Yeah, okay. I gotta get up for a second. Hey guys, so right now I am driving to the place where the event is going to take place. I just took a wrong turn, so now I'm sitting at the stoplight. The parking lot is not the most convenient to get into, so yeah, but I have so much stuff in my car. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can see, but I'm like, oh my god, I wish I had somebody here to help me carry it. Hopefully I'm not overdoing it because there are other vendors here and I don't know exactly what they're selling, so we're gonna find out. Alright, so this was my little setup. As I told you guys before, one rack was more colorful, the other was more blacks and things like that, neutrals. And then that's my table display. There is the slideshow that I was talking about earlier with the pictures of all the merchandise. And then this is just an overall look at the event. So as you can see, there were other vendors set up. And then I have my little cute table where I put some items up there as well.
Approximately, not today. Not a person of the Cheshire. So, you know, the hotel we have pool party at.
All right, ladies. So we're just about to wrap up this pop-up shop situation. My good friend Ebony is here. I'm gonna tell y'all that y'all need to bring a bestie with you, a friend of some sort who knows everyone, possibly, who's quite outgoing, because she does stuff like that. And she'll encourage everybody to buy things from you if you're not outgoing. Okay. Hey guys, so I just got home from the event that I was one of the vendors at. So I'm pretty sure I probably put some footage from the event before this clip so you can see what it all looked like and everything, and just a little snippet of the day. But anyway, overall the day was pretty successful. I handed out every single one of the business cards that I brought with me. I had tons of ladies checking out my merchandise, which was awesome. I had a total of 9 sales, so not a ton, but still it was money in the bank, honey. Yes. I didn't know what to expect. This was my first time ever being a vendor. So I had 9 sales, and that was a total of $279. My goal for myself was $350, so I didn't make my goal, but I wasn't too far off from it. So I'm still very proud of myself because, like I said, I didn't know what to expect going into it. But you guys probably saw in the last clip that I took 2 racks of clothing. I had a little table set up, and I pretty much just set up some merchandise on the table so the table wouldn't be empty. I also set up my iPad on my tripod, and those videos that I made, those promo videos, really came in handy. Like, I literally had groups of people standing at my table to watch this video, which was so funny and so cool to me. So the videos were super helpful, especially because there was no fitting rooms obviously at this place, so the people didn't have a way to try on the merchandise, but being able to see it on someone, me, and see how it fit and things like that was very helpful to them. So like anytime they would pick up something on the rack and they weren't very sure about it, they would just turn around and look at the video and see if I was showing myself wearing that item, or they would just ask me if I had a picture of myself wearing that item as well. So all of those tons of pictures that I took and all of those videos that I made came in handy today. So I will definitely make sure that going forward, whenever I participate in some of these events and things like that, that I always bring my iPad with me or some type of device so I can show a slideshow of my pictures as well as my videos. As far as merchandise, I did not take all of my inventory. I took one of each size of some of my merchandise. So I did leave a few styles here because I wanted them to have something to look at on my website. So like I said, I gave out all my business cards while I was there, and encouraged everybody to follow me on Instagram and stuff like that. I haven't checked my Instagram to see if anyone followed me, but anyway, but I wanted to leave some merchandise here so that when they go onto my website, there will be other things for them to see that they did not see at the event. Some people like to take all of the merchandise. I think it's just a personal preference, honestly, but yeah. So I was trying to pay attention to if there was like any type of pattern in the types of things people were buying. So there wasn't. I will say, first and foremost, wear your merchandise to the events if you're participating in pop-up shops or anything of that nature. I don't know how many people told me that they liked my outfit, and then I was like, it's right there, and I would point at the rack and I'd say, what size are you? So I sold one of this set. I sold one of my leather jackets. I sold a pair of pants, a dress, 3 shirts. I sold a copy of my book as well, which was super nice. But yeah, so overall the day was super cool, super great. I'm really proud of myself. I'm super happy. Always love to put money in the bank, so that was great. And I also got to network with tons of women and introduce them to my boutique, so that was great. I did have a lot of women ask me about plus size, and it is my intent to start carrying plus size, but I don't want to just randomly start carrying plus size. I want to make sure that I can give that the same amount of attention that I gave the first collection that I launched with. So, you know, as far as the marketing and the pictures and the videos and things like that, I want to make sure that that marketing matches the marketing that I put out for my initial boutique launch. So I'm not rushing it, but I definitely plan to do it. Other than that, my husband just walked in. Other than that, the day was pretty cool. Yeah. Alright guys, so I plan to make a part 2 to this video where I will talk more in depthly about planning for the pop-up shop, how to even be a part of a pop-up shop or a part of an event, how to be a vendor, things of that nature, more in detail. And I asked a few questions on my Instagram yesterday about pop-up shops, or asked if any of you guys had questions about pop-up shops, and you guys did. So I will make a second video where I will talk more in depth about how to even go about being a part of an event like this, or finding these events and participating in a pop-up shop and all of that jazz. I just wanted to show you guys how my first pop-up shop experience went. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and of course comment and let me know what you would like to see a future video about. And until next time, I will see you guys later.